Okay, students, how are you? I'm fine. How is education? How is the teaching and learning process? You can comment me. Okay. Last time we have seen about the uncertainty in measurements. Its definition. What does it mean, uncertainty? And we see the types of errors, systematic and random errors. And also we seen about uncertainty in a scale measuring device, which is the smallest increment divided by 2. The smallest increment is 0.5 millimeter, or it is 0.5 centimeter or 1 millimeter. So when divided by 2, the smallest increment is 0.05 centimeter. And the other is the uncertainty in digital measuring device, which is equals to the smallest increment only, which is 0.0001. So now we are going to see some examples related with this. So follow me. Okay, let us start. This is example 1. It says if we measure a length of 5.7 centimeter with a meter stick, what is the range of uncertainty of measurement? It asks the range of uncertainty. Okay, this is okay. Let us say first solution. If we measure length of 5.7 centimeter, this is in what? In centimeter. So 5.7 centimeter means what? It is 5.7 centimeter with meter stick. So when we say meter stick is it is an apparatus used to measure the length, and also centimeter shows the length of something. So it is what? It is a scale measuring device. Meter stick is scale measuring device. So in our last time class, the uncertainty in scale measuring devices, it is what? Smallest increment divided by 2. Now let us see here. Uncertainty in scale measuring device is equal to the smallest increment divided by 2. So uncertainty is smallest increment divided by 2. For example, with meter stick is a scale device. So what uncertainty is? The smallest increment is 1 millimeter divided by 2, 0.5 millimeter. 0.5 millimeter means what? When we convert to centimeter using this relation, it is 0.05 centimeter. So what is the uncertainty in a scale measuring device? Is what? 0.05 centimeter. So uncertainty is 0.05 centimeter. So our length is it is 5.7 centimeter. So range of uncertainty, range of uncertainty is what? Our length plus or minus the uncertainty. This means what? 5.7 plus or minus, our length is 5.7, our uncertainty is 0.05 centimeter. 0.05, both are in centimeters. So we have to subtract 0.05 from 5.7. Then next we have to add 0.05 to 5.7. So the first thing is 5.7 minus 0.05, which is less than or equals to our length, which is less than or equals to 5.7 plus 0.05 in centimeter. So 5.7 minus 0.05 means it is 5.65, less than or equals to length, less than or equals to 5.7 plus 0.05 is 5.75 in centimeters. So range of uncertainty is, it is, the minimum range is 5.65, the maximum range is up to 5.75 centimeter. So when we say our length is 5.7 centimeter, when we say our length is 5.7 centimeter, it may be 5.65 in between 5.65 centimeter up to 5.75 centimeter, because 0.05 centimeter is the uncertainty in the scale measuring device. So let us see the second examples. Okay, the second example says, if we measure 5.7513 kilogram with digital balance, what is the range of uncertainty of this value? Range of uncertainty of 5.7513 kilogram. So this is measured with digital balance. So this means it is digital measuring device. And what is the uncertainty for the digital measuring device? Let us remember it from the from yesterday's class. Uncertainty in a digital measuring device is equal to the smallest increment. So what is the smallest increment? It is 0.0001. So uncertainty in measuring device in the digital measuring device is, it is 0.0001. So uncertainty range in this case range is equals to uncertainty range is equals to, our given is what? Our given is mass. What is our mass? It is 5.7513 kilogram. So uncertainty range, which is equals to our given mass plus or minus 0.0001. So first we subtract 0.0001 from this given mass. So when we subtract it, that means 5.7513 minus 0.0001, which is less than or equals to our given mass, which is less than or equals to 5.7513 plus 0.0001. So our uncertainty range, which is equals to 5.7512, which is less than or equals to mass, which is less than or equals to 5.7514 in what? Kilogram. So this is our what? Uncertainty range. So if we measure 5.7513 kilogram with digital balance, our uncertainty range, this may be, the real value may be between, it may be 5.7512 or it may be 5.7514. So the real value of this value is in between this and this. I think you get the concept. This is enough for today. Thank you. Ash galatoma asirratti leengiziidha 5.7 centimeetira. Meetira stii jechuun kan meetira ittiin safarru, kan dheerina ittiin safarru jechaadha, meetiratti jechaadha. Kanaafuu 5.7 nuu kennee uncertainty rangein uncertainty meeqaan hun jedhe. Yeroo kana leengiziin kun 5.7 centimeetiriin kun scale measuring device dha. Uncertainty isaa duwwaa tuqa duwwaa 5 jechaadha. Kanaafuu al tokko duwwaa tuqa duwwaa 5 isa nuu kenname kanarraa hir'ifna, al tokko immoo itti idaana jechaadha. Kanaafuu yeroo hir'ifnu 5.65 ta'e, asitti immoo yeroo idaan 5.75 ta'e jechaadha. Uncertainty rangein keenya kan scale measuring device kana jechaadha 5.65 hanga 5.75 jechaadha. Gaaffii lammaffaa 5.7 kilograam kun immoo hangadha, kan inni madaalle jechaadha, hanga isaa safarre jechaadha. Digital balance jedhama, miizana yookaan madaala jechaadha, madaala hanga. Range of uncertainty kan madaala hangaa tiif wantoota madaala hangaatiif wal qabatan digital measuring device jedhamu. Duwwaa tuqaa duwwaa tokkodha jechaadha. Kanaafuu 5.7 safarre jechuun al tokko uncertainty kana irraa hir'ifna, al tokko immoo itti daballa jechaadha. Yeroo irraa hir'ifnu 5.7 ta'e, yeroo itti idaanu 5.714 ta'e. Kanaafuu uncertainty rangein keenya kan digital balance kanaa meeqa gidduudha? 5.712 fi 5.714 gidduudha jechaadha. Kanuma jechaadha. Galatooma.